Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills District Rituraj Ravi uliatho bade Halor ka jinglap sabut ka babyang la kem ye ki arngut haga mates new blay ka shipotrik ulber arajar arpusau but kine ki ba sha kem ki kinthum uway na dawki but uway na malki shlong haga bade but ka jingjia ba thei ubom IED hathem motor haga mate khandai trik ulber arajar arpusau Hadin Malayalam syeng kasari ya ki basyakam kayeng kasari kala hukum ban set shipos ngi ha along ki pulit ha ka ki pulit kin yo ban tok kit benya ya gini ki arngot ha kini ki shipos ngi.
In pursuance to the events that happened on the night of 9th at around 10:30 p.m. at Syndicate bus stand Punjabi Lane where an IED blast occurred. And soon after that incident, our team swung into action. We started the investigation process, and we got some very strong leads. On the basis of that, last night we arrested 2 people, one from Doki and one from Shillong Malki area, and both people have been produced today in the court, and the Honorable Court has granted 10 days of police custody.
Habakli la kini ki basyakam ki dei ki khot ka hinyo trap National Youth Front USP ulong ba ka jingkam ni ki kam dei Halor ka nongrim ba ki don ka jingya dei bat ka no kuno ka Kynhun ni ka Seng henrai ka jingkam ka dei Halor ka jinglap ye ki Sabut ba ki don kti ha ka jingjia Namar kata ulong ba don jingya dei bat ka jingya don benta jongki bat ka no kuno ka Seng ni ka Kynhun henrai la kem ye ki Namar Bakidon ka jingya day, bat ka jingjia ka balajia, ha ka Jingbthei jong ubam.
Any individual that we have arrested on the basis of the evidences and the clues that we have with respect to the incident that happened on the night of 9th. Anybody's involvement with any groups or any NGOs is not a matter of investigation or concern or relevance to us. So I will not comment on anybody's involvement with any group or any NGOs.
Haba maham ting nakalyang USP ulaong baki pulit kirang yat shakman bat ka jingto kit haringkat ka jingtrei de ka jingkot jingmut ka bas kem ban yo kem hagabe dei bat ka ni ka jingjia pat ansa kembet ya barok kito ki badan kti ha kum ka ni ka jingya sela ka bat trim ka bat mu ban wanra ka jingbom shongsuk shongsngai ulaong ru ba barok ki bale kingat haki kindon jongka an bat ban yo ya ka jing bishar ka ba hok.
Investigation is still under progress and we are working on it with a firm resolve that we need to arrest and we will arrest everybody who is involved in this larger conspiracy, in this act, in this abetment, anybody who has participated in this crime in any whatsoever way. Everybody needs to be brought to justice, brought to book, and we will leave no stone unturned in that.
Shishu habakali Halor ka jingpen klanyi ki bor pahara khamtam me ki jaka hanong ba shilong namar kum kini ki Jingbthei kila jujia teng khammen shwa USP ulaong ba ka benta ka baningkong ka de ka jingto kit ka babnya Halor ka ni ka Jingbthei ubam IED hathem motor ha ka bala thau ya ka Kynhun ka bapet ya ka jingto kit na ki babun ki liang bat penlong ru ya ka jingto kit ka babnya bat ha ka rukom ka badan ka jing syampang ulaong ba ka ba arpat ka dei ka jing kham pen klan ni ki bor pahara barok ki jaka ki ba kham kerpang bat la ban kham don jing ma bat kino ki jaka ki ba kham long ser ka jing shngan la kham pen kot ya kinong pahara Uloong sisyo baga benta ka balay, kadai ka jing perkat lepay kilat kilentin ka benta ka jing shingan higi por ban sawan, lingba ka jing pet ngor ban tip bat lap, iki badan kti ban sandur, iki ba kum gidi ki kam pentrim, bat hakabay day bat kani ki pulit kidang le, iki badan kam ban le.
That is the second part, ma'am. Third, ma'am, that for a longer term measures, ma'am, we are verifying anybody who can have any such links and capabilities to be involved with such nefarious designs. We are working on that too.
Hakbay day bat ka jingjia pen thai bom ki por bala le baka HNLC ka ju kam bakala le maka USP ula kubur bah ki jingjia ki bakam menshwa ka HNLC ka ju wan shakmat ban kam baka pen thai bom maka Henry hagani ka jingjia ka ba menta pat amdon ka no ka bakum kata Henry ula ong bah ba tokit bat khmi ya ka kom long ka Jingbthei ubom IED bom menta ka don ka jingya sriem bat kito ki Jingbthei bom ki bala jia kham haswa bat dei halor kani baka jing tokit ka hab ya na baro ki liang
As I have stated earlier also in my press release, is that in earlier times whenever there were blasts, be it here or in other districts of the Eastern Range, HNLC came forward and claimed responsibility for that. But this time around, they have not claimed responsibility for this. However, if we look at the modus operandi and the methodologies that have been employed in carrying out this blast, they bear very, very close resemblance. And on the basis of that, we are investigating it from all perspectives. First, it will not be proper for me to comment on what said on what and earlier times, but I can only speak for myself and for East Khasi Hills Police at this moment. And we are here with a firm resolve that anybody who threatens the peace and the security of general public of the state, we are we will not allow that, and we are maintaining highest vigil on that front.